welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to be talking about a few Tory Burch items that I got on sale for really good deals. They were all under $300, and so I'm going to go into that a little bit, and also I wanted to talk about the new Facebook group that I started, and I will share the link below for that if you're interested in joining. So basically I just started a new Facebook group, and I'm going to be sharing all of the Tory Burch deals that I see, and also just, you know, you can go on there and share your love of Tory Burch if you also are obsessed like I am. So go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description box below. I would love to have you. So moving on, I got a few items from a few different sales that I saw recently within the past couple of weeks, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. I'm very excited. So here we go. So the first item is not actually an unboxing. I'm just going to show you an item that I got maybe a few weeks ago during the Tory Burch sale. It wasn't a huge sale on it, but it's something that I tried on in the Tory Burch store and fell in love with, so I was happy to get any discount on it, and I received $100 off through the Tory Burch sale. So this little cutie is the mini chevron Kira in New Cream. They actually still have it on the website. It's full price, but if I see it on a sale or at a discount, I will post it on my Facebook page. So go ahead and join that now. So this is it. I just want to show a little. It's so cute. So this is the mini size. So I had the larger size before, but I think the mini size is perfect if it's a phone, if it's keys, if it's a, you know, a little card holder. So I think it's a perfect size to just grab and go. So moving on to the unboxing. First, a pair of shoes. Which one are they? Let's see. And here we are. It is the Jeweled Millers. So they had these for a few sizes on sale recently, and they were only $107. They had them in 3 colors. They don't currently have the sale on them, but that's another one that I'll keep an eye out for. These are so pretty in person. I can't, like, pictures and video don't do them justice. They are gorgeous. For these, I would recommend going up half a size or staying true to your size. It's kind of, it kind of varies by person what they recommend. I actually stayed with my true size, but normally in Miller's I do go up half a size. So, next one. Another pair of shoes. This was definitely like a win, well, both of them were like a win purchase, but these I wasn't sure how much I was going to love them, and then I got them in person. They are adorable. So this is a Sherpa slide. It's a Sherpa material. They come in a few different colors. These were also $107. I could not pass up this deal. So I actually did go up half a size in these. I ordered 2 sizes, but the half size up was definitely better for me. So definitely, if you get these, half size up. They're very comfortable, by the way, and the sole of them reminds me of like the Birkenstocks. Let me go grab the next item. So now for the grand finale. Obviously you can tell where I got this from. This one is no longer this price, but again, I will keep an eye out for it, post it on the Facebook group if you are interested. Any guesses on what it is? It's a purse. And this is just a gorgeous bag. I don't know why I've been obsessed with this color. Gotten a few different things in this color. Look at it, it's so cute. So this is actually a tweed bag. It's gorgeous, a tweed tote. So it's either a mini tote or just small tote. Let me look at the tag. It is the Ella Chain Mini Tote in New Cream. So this one, I should have mentioned the retail for the other items, but this one is $6.98 retail, and I got it for, it was around $300 that I ended up getting this one for. So definitely check out the Facebook group because I'm going to be posting more deals like that on there. So yeah, I have one other small item I'm going to go grab, and I will show you that as well. So something interesting I just noticed, I just put this one next to, they're supposed to be the same color, they're supposed to both be New Cream. There is a slight color difference between the two of them, so I just figured I'd mention that. But this is a little Kira chevron card holder. This one is gorgeous. It has the pave crystals on the front of it. This one I did get on a really good sale. I think it's originally $128 and I got it for $67. So that's almost half price. And I've been using it nonstop since I got it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video today of my little sale haul of Tory Burch, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.